trust me, it'll be okay. Because I've experienced it. You know, it's not like I'm reading it off a book and saying, come on, we have to play with positive intent. I felt it, I've been there, I've succeeded, I've failed. I've learned from failures, but that has not stopped me from trying again. So it is when you get rid of the insecurities you have as an individual, you'll be able to become, firstly, your own leader in your own space, and then be able to take responsibility for the others as well. So that if things go wrong, because the one thing that stops us from realizing how good we can be is failure, is insecurity, right? कि खराब हो गया तो, out हो गया तो, pass नहीं हुआ तो, job नहीं मिली तो, you know, CV गया, अब क्या होगा, पता नहीं क्या होगा, what if it doesn't go through, is the reason why you never really fully commit to it. So at a level where you realize, okay, I have tried this, I have seen ups and downs with it, now I can tell these people, go for it, I'm here. If it goes wrong, I'll take care of it, but don't stop trying.
कोई ऐसा instance, because जरूरी नहीं है जो, you know, someone I look up to as a leader might have a way of life जो inspiring लगे, but मेरे तौर तरीके अलग हो सकते हैं. It could take me time to buy into your theory.
100%. One thing I learned from MS and other people that I've seen lead also, you cannot make everyone happy all the time. This is the absolute truth. And why that happens is because certain individuals will not buy into the intensity of what you're saying immediately. So they try to find their own comfortable ways, which you have to ignore, because the vision is priority. It's not saying कि मैं ऐसे चलाने वाला हूँ. नहीं, मुझे responsibility दी गई है. ये plan है. क्योंकि ये plan मुझे लगता है कि हमें टॉप पे पहुंचाएगी. अब ये हमारा पाथ है. अब किसी को आपने बोलना है भागो, तो किसी को आप बोल सकते हो चल भाई उठ के भाग. किसी को आप समझाओगे या नहीं करेंगे ना तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, तो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. इतना टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे. We are not making the most of our time. You eventually want to enjoy yourself. All these small things matter. Get that guy around in a different way. But the goal is the same. He has to run, he has to run. लेकिन ये नहीं आप बोल सकते कि मैं तो नहीं करूंगा. क्योंकि वहां पे पहुंचने के लिए कोई दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा, 6 लोग आपसे 10 गुना मेहनत करने को रेडी हैं.
क्या कुछ ऐसा भी था, some things that you maybe realized पीछे देखते हुए कि यार I could have done this better?